Hi guys, have you asked yourself what will happen if you only traded your ideal setup? So let's say in a week, you only traded your ideal setup. What will be the case if you only traded your ideal setup? So I went through the price action of the previous week, and this is something that every trader should do. At the end of the week, you can backtest or go through the price action of the previous week so you see what you missed out or what you could have done better, right? So I went through the price action of the previous week, and then I figured that if only I was to take my ideal setup, if only all the trades I took were strictly my ideal setup, I would have been up about 10R. So when I ran through the price action, I figured that my ideal setup printed 3 times. My ideal setup came up 3 times in the previous week. But then I would have traded only 2 of them, and that is the two I've marked out on the chart here. Because the third one is NFP. This move right here is the third setup, and I usually don't trade the news, so I wouldn't have traded this NFP move. That's why I just consider only these two. And the first one was the 1 to 4 RR, the second one 1 to 5.5 RR. So a total of about 10 RR on these ideal setups that showed up. Now, the truth is, if you trade only your ideal setup in a week, and of course, by me saying your ideal setup, that means that you've already backtested this setup and you know that this setup is an edge. That means like when you trade, say 10, when you take 10 trades, you will definitely come out on top. Like it will, no matter the ratio of the win to losses, you will still be profitable, right? So that's what an edge is. So if you trade only in your edge, your ideal setup, the truth is you're either gonna come out of the week profitable or with a small loss. These are gonna be the only two outcomes, especially if you trade it with proper risk management. If you have a good risk management in place, there are only going to be two outcomes. It's either you come out with a big win or a win, regardless whether it's big or small, then with a very small loss. So guys, this is a new week. Let's try and keep to our rules. Let's try and stick to trading only in your ideal setup, because that's the only time you're going to maximize, the profits that you can make in the market. So guys, let's see how this week goes. It's a fresh week, and then I look forward to ending the week in blues. I wish you guys the best for the week and more peace to everyone. Cheers and God bless.